Hi everyone. I'm audible to you guys. Yeah. Hi. Good evening, everyone. Yeah. So guys, let's start the session. Yeah. Good evening, everyone. Let me share my screen first. Um, yeah. Is my screen is visible to you guys? Is my screen is visible? Yeah. Sure. So guys, we were discussing about the Power BI in the last sessions. Let me open the Power BI first of all. This is the Power BI desktop. Power BI desktop is basically is used to create the visualizations. Power BI is basically a BI tool. Can anyone tell me what do you understand by BI? Business intelligence means what for you? Business intelligence is means what for you? Yes, guys. Okay. Power BI. Apart from Power BI, which are the other BI tools, guys, we have in the market apart from Power BI? Okay, Tableau. Yeah, that is correct. Apart from Power BI, we have Tableau. Then SAP is also there. Like that, nowadays, Google having Studio is also one of the BI tool which Google has introduced. This Power BI is a Microsoft product. Google Studio is also one of the BI tools. So, anyways, we were discussing about the Power BI. I hope you are quite familiar with this Power BI desktop, guys. Now you are quite familiar with that. Any questions do you have till now? If let me ask you a few questions. If I want to clean my data, guys, where I need to go in Power BI desktop? If I want to clean my data, who can answer this? Okay, transport. Okay, transform data. Yeah, transform data is there. Inside that, Power Query Editor is there. If I will click over here, transform data. If I will click here, Power Query Editor will open. That will be used to clean the data. Okay. Tell me by default, how many views are there in Power BI desktop? These are a few of the interview questions, guys, which I am telling to you. What are the three views of Power BI desktop, guys? Three views of Power BI desktop. Who will tell me? Three views. Who will going to tell me? Yeah. What are the three views in Power BI desktop, guys? Who will tell me? Not exactly. I will say that here. This is the report view, then table view, and model view. These are the three views of Power BI desktop. Okay. Now, if my data source, let me ask you a few questions to you. Let's see that. If in the company, If the data source is available in database, can I connect Power BI with the database, guys? Can I connect with that? Yes. So we can say that we can connect the data. Okay. So in the last class, we have discussed about the DAX also. Tell me, guys, what is mean by DAX? DAX means what? Then we have seen that calculated column and calculated measures. In the last class, we have seen that. Yeah, I am fine. Yeah, Krishna, I am fine. Okay. Tell me, guys, data analysis expression. Inside that, if I will go here in the table view, inside that, right now no data has been loaded. Let me load the data first. Get data here, Excel workbook, suppose. And again, I am loading sample superstore Excel workbook. Now this is sample superstore is quite familiar to you, this data set. Okay. So like that. And load the data. Now everyone is comfortable with this, how to load the data, these things clear to you, everyone? Okay. Now the data has been loaded inside the data pane. Here I am having three panes: filter pane, visualization pane, and data pane is there. Okay. Yeah. Hi, good evening, everyone. So when I will say that in the last class, I am saying that data analysis expression, that is DAX. Inside that, two things were there: calculated column and calculated measures. Tell me about calculated columns. Okay. If I want to know, this is the numerical columns are there: sales, quantity, discount, and profit. If I want to know what is the average profit, tell me it is a calculated column or calculated measure. Average profit, if I want to find out. Average profit. Calculated column. Okay. Fatima is saying that calculated column. Okay. Radhika is saying that calculated measure. Okay. Apart from that, any other answer? Okay. Fatima is saying that calculated measure again. Okay. When I am saying that average profit, how I will find out this is the profit column, this is the profit is there? First of all, think mathematically. How I need to do? I need to addition of all this profit divided by total number of counts. This is how. So can I say that this calculation is the column wise calculation? Whenever column wise calculation is there, always go to the new measure. New measure. Okay. If, okay, now my second question. If I want to find out minimum sale value, minimum sale value, tell me it is a calculated column or calculated measure, minimum sale value. Radhika is saying that calculated measure. Fatima is also saying that calculated measure. Okay. Apart from that, any other answer? Okay. Find out. Okay. That is correct. That is calculated measures only. If I want to find out what is the maximum quantity sold, how many quantities I have sold, what is the maximum quantity sold? So tell me, it is a calculated column or calculated measure? Maximum quantity sold. Measure? Yeah. Okay. Now, if I want to find out, this is the selling price. Okay. If I want to find out what is the cost price, how I can find out, and tell me it is a calculated column, calculated measure. If I want to find out the cost price, this is the selling price is there. If I want to find out cost price, calculated column, sure, Fatima? Okay, okay, fine. Now it has been clear to few students, they are answered correctly. Yeah, calculated column and calculated measure. If these things are clear to you, then DAX is very huge topic. I will share some notes also with me with you guys. Uh, yeah, in Power BI, I will share some of the few my notes also with you. Okay, related to calculated columns and calculated measures. All right, guys. Now, it has been clear to you what is the calculated columns and calculated measures. Okay, fine. Any questions till now you have? Till now, any questions? Okay, fine. Now, let me today tell you one new concept. Bookmark concept, highly important. If I'm working in my company, my client will ask me that please add the bookmark and all that things. If some visualization is created, I'm using this concept in day-to-day life, guys. In my company, I'm creating some Power BI desktop, some reports I need to generate. So my client is always asking me to bookmark this, bookmark that. Bookmark is very important. Okay. Before starting to the topic, bookmark, tell me, guys, difference between Tableau and Power BI. I will say that there is no such difference. Both are the BI tools, but Tableau is the Salesforce company. Now, I think Tableau has acquired by the Salesforce company, and Power BI is of Microsoft product. That is tool. And yeah, there are several difference means data handling and all that things that difference are there, but both are doing the same task. Amrun, what is that unappeared data? If you can give me with example so I can understand it in a better way. Okay. Before today, we will start the bookmark topic. Bookmark topic today we will start it. Okay. Let me. Okay. Here today we will start the bookmark topic. Let me rename it bookmark. Okay. Before starting to the topic, tell me, have you ever used the bookmark in your day-to-day life? Bookmark. Why we are using a bookmark, guys, in our day-to-day life? Okay, Amrut, I will see that. I will address that question. Okay. Tell me, guys, bookmark concept. Those who having a reading, how many of you having the habit to read the books? Guys, any one of you who used to read the book frequently, or at least once in a month or twice in a month, like that? I use that bookmark concept over there also. Anybody who is reading books amongst you? Nobody is reader among you? Fiction, non-fiction, any book? Okay, fine. Okay, bookmarks are strings? No, not like that. Now suppose, okay, I will show you directly. Let me create some visualization. Here I will create a visualization that is category versus the sales value. So basically here in my data set, I am having three categories: technology, furniture, and office supply. And these were their sales values. Okay. Now let me add the bookmark concept over here now. Bookmark concept. How I will add a bookmark concept? Let me tell you. Go in the view option. click here, bookmark. Now here bookmark is there. Okay, it is added. Now what I will do that add a bookmark, and let me give the rename this page as sales. Okay. Now this is the bookmark I have added, updated. Okay. Okay, fine. Now let me create some other visualizations also. Let me this time create a donate chart. Donate chart of location, region versus profit. I am creating a donut chart in which it shows region versus what is the profit. Okay, this is there. Now let me add one more bookmark for you guys. And let me this time rename it that profit. Okay. Now, okay, these two bookmarks I have added. So here I will again click on this selection pan, and when this and let me hide this one, and let me do the profit. In the profit bookmark, let me update it. Okay. Now I want my whole visualization back. Now let me click on the bookmark in the sales. Suppose I will click here on the sales. Okay, in the sales, it is there both. Let me hide the profit and update it. Now I have created a bookmark. Now let unhide both. Now this is my actual visualization, guys. This is my actual visualization. Now while explaining, suppose first listen the concept and then tell me if you understand or not. Now while giving the explanation in the company, now I want only this visualization. Only this visualization while giving a presentation. I don't want this visualization. Sum of sales by category. I want to target only sales, not profit. So what I will do that while giving a presentation, I will directly create some bookmark. Let me click on this bookmark option. Now tell me, once you have clicked here bookmark, what comes? Only sales options is there. Okay, only sales option. And let me click on the profit bookmark. What happened in the profit? Only profit is coming. The rest of the features is not coming. Okay. So many a times, uh, okay. And here in the selection, now this is my original diagram, original visualization. Original visualization. Now suppose if you want to give a presentation, okay, so and at this time of your presentation you want only this diagram, that you need to talk only sales, not of the profit, only sales you want to talk. So what they will it is the option in Power BI, they will give the option as bookmark. Now let me click on this bookmark on the sales option. Now, bookmark is nothing but a condition of I am capturing this, freezing this page. Okay. So while giving the presentation to the client, if I will click on the sales, only it will, instead of giving a complete visualization, only it highlights the sales category. Now I want to target about the profits. What are the profits? So what I will do, I will click here in the profit. Only profit is coming. Okay. And if I want both back to my original visualization, let me unhide it. So this is my original visualization is there. Sales, profit, okay, like that. So, but with the help of the bookmark, I will say that you can directly jump to a certain page, whatever. While if I don't want the other options, I don't want while talking to the sales, I don't want it should be display the profit. In that case, what I will do with the help of the bookmark concept, I will do that. Again, I can give the facility to the user. Now bookmark has been done. I can give the facility to the user by creating a buttons options here. Let me explain you. This is the important concept, guys. In our company also, we are using this concept in day-to-day life. Okay, click on the insert and click here on the buttons options. Okay. So this is the button option. Let me click here format the button, and let me click here title on, and let me click here. I will say that sales button. Sales button. Okay, I have added this one, sales button. Let me click here button. Let me click here bookmark only, and I will click here sales. Okay, and here also in the selection panel, I will click here. At that time, profit I don't want. I want only this much. And in the sales also, I will update it. I will update this. Okay. Now again, I want all my visualizations back. Okay. Now what happened while giving a presentation to the client? I don't want other visualizations. Okay. While talking about only the sales, I don't want to talk about the profit, only sales. What I will do that, I will click here. See, I will click here and only it talks about the sales, not about the profit. And how I have achieved this through bookmark and button option. Okay. Now I want my visualization again back. How I can do uh, 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 hide this visualization and hide like that options is there. Okay. Now, while many times you want to talk about only of the profit, not about the sales. Again, I have created the bookmark here. I have created a bookmark, but many a times in the company also, the client is asking that can you give, because client don't know these technical things. They want the only things to be automated mostly. So they want us being as a developer, Power BI developer, or if you are working as a data analytics or a data scientist, you should work according to the client's requirement. So that's why I'm creating a button. Now, while giving a presentation, I want one another button. It should talk only of the profit. It means that whenever I will click on the profit button, it will show the details of profit, not the sales. Okay. What I will do again, I will go over here, and again I will go here, add bookmark. Let me drag this one, drag it. Okay. Again, I will go here. Again, I will go here, title on, and here I will give its profit button. Profit. Profit button. Okay. In the buttons, again, in the bookmark, let me click it here. It should talk only of the profit. And let me hide it here. What I need to hide? Sales button and sales things I need to hide. And here in the profit also, I can update it in the bookmark also. Okay. Now again, I want my visualizations complete back. Now what is happened while giving a presentation? While giving a presentation, and you can keep it here also. Now you are giving the presentations to the clients. Okay, This is our sales, this is our profit, like that. So many visualizations is there. Now, if you want to particularly talk about the profit, at that time, this bookmark concept and button option will give you to talk only of the profit. Let me click here. Control plus click on this button. Now see, other visualizations are not there. Only these topics is there. While giving a presentation, I want only this visualization. I don't want other. So that's why. So these things can be achieved using bookmark and buttons option. Now again, I want my visualizations previously back. So what I will do that here, or again, I will unhide it. Now this is my original visualization. This is my original visualization. Now again, while giving a presentation, now first of all, I want to talk only of the sales. So what I will do, I will go over here and I will press control button and click on this bookmark option. And it shows only this one. Again, if you want that profit button should not be shown over here, what you will go here, just go here in that hide the profit button, hide it, okay, hide it, and update the bookmark, update the sales bookmark. That's it. Okay. Now again, I want all my visualizations back. This is my original visualization. I want all my things back. Now I want only to talk about the sales options. Let me go here, press control button and click here. It talks only of the sales value, not of the profit. Okay. Now again, I want all my visualizations back. Hide it, unhide it. Now this is my presentation. Now while giving a presentation, what I will do, I will talk only of the profit. I will click here, control and click here. It talks only of the profit, not of the sales. This concept we are using mostly in the companies. My client will ask me that create some buttons, create some bookmarks, whatever is there. I want this visualization only, like that. So we can achieve it with the help of the bookmark and button option. Let me see that if my client is saying that, you know what, these are the sales, but I want to see the card also here. I want to see the card options also here. So what I will do here, I will add the card here in the visualization card, and I will in terms of number, like that. I will do that. Okay. Now what I will do that, I will update my profit button. Yes, these things are there, and I will update my profit bookmark. Update it. Okay. Now let me hide it, unhide it, everything. Okay. Now it talks only, these are the buttons are there. Okay. This is my visualization. This is my visualization is there. Now, while talking only of the profit, okay, let me click here, control plus press here. It talks only of the profit. Rest of the options are hide. Now I want again my visualization back. Let me unhide it. Now I only want to talk about the sales value. What I will do here, I will go here in this sales button, control plus press. Okay, well, when I'm clicking here sales button, it shows this also, but I don't want sum of profit should be here. So what I will do that, I will go here in the selection panel and hide this card and update my bookmark. Okay. Now let me hide it, unhide everything. Now while giving a presentation, I want like this. Okay, I will click here, sales button, control plus shift. It talks only of the sales value. None of it talk about the profit. Now, if you want to say that I want to add the card again for the sales, So you can add it. You can go over here, click on this card option. Sorry, let me undo this. Okay. I want the card option over here. I will add this card option. Okay, I have added card here, and I will talk only of the sales value. Okay, sales value. Or again, if you want to add one more visualization, you can add here, and it will talk about sales by region only. But of sales, hmm, and let me add the bookmark over here. Hmm, okay, it should be here. Okay, in the selection panel, I have add the cards, which two cards are there. Okay, let me rename it. Okay, I cannot rename it. I cannot rename it. Now this is the bookmark is there, and in the bookmark, let me update it. Are you getting it, guys? This is the concept which I am using for in the day-to-day concept. Okay. Now again, I want all my visualizations back. What I will do that I will unhide it. Okay. Again, this one. Okay. Let me arrange it properly so you will understand it in a better way. Okay. I have added this one. Here also. Let me explain you guys. Wait a minute. After giving an explanation, I think you will understand it. Okay. Okay, yeah, I will tell you first of all. Now, this is your entire presentation, guys. This is your entire presentation is there. Now, while talking to only of the profit sales value. Now, while talking only of the sales, here profit information is also given and sales information is also given. Now, if you want to talk only of the sales value, what I will do that this bookmark I have created, control plus press this option. This talks only of the sales value, guys. The card, all the sales value information is there. Okay. Now again, I want my original back. So what I will do that again, unhide it, everything, unhide it, unhide it. This is my actual visualization. Okay, actual visualization. Now if you want to talk only of the profit, what you will do, you will go over here, press control and click over here. It talks only of the profit, but here sales is also information is given. What I will do, I will go over here in the selection panel. While what I need to hide it, unhide it. Uh, okay, sales. I will hide sales information. Again, I will unhide this sum of sales by region. This I will unhide it because it needs to talk only of the profit, and I will update the bookmark. Update it. Now I want everything back. In the companies, we are using this so much, guys. What we are doing in the company, I'm sharing with you. Okay. Now this is my original presentation is there. Now I want the sales again in the suppose profit. I will click here control plus press the button. It talks only of the profit. None of the sales value is there. Now again, I will click here. This is the presentation. While giving a presentation, are you getting it, guys? Please tell me. First of all, please tell me, are you getting it or not? If you will do the practice, you will understand that what is there. But if you want to crack any interview, they will ask you this kind of concepts. Okay, any questions from your end? Any questions from your end, guys? If you will practice these things, you will understand it in a better way. So that's why. But any questions from your end, guys? It is tough, easy, whatever. Please share your experience that I can teach you in a means. I will try to see that if I can teach you in more easy way. But I am just giving a demo how I in the company originally we are working it. Yes, guys, please tell me. If you don't understand that, also tell me. I will explain you once again. Okay, not understanding. Okay, okay, Naveen. Now this is your presentation. At the same time, let me create some more visualization. Suppose this time, let me add one table also over here. In the table, it should talk about region wise, what is the profit. This value. Okay. Now, this is my entire presentation, Ashish. Sorry, this is my entire presentation. Now, tell me here in this visualization, if the client is saying that while giving a presentation, if you want only talk about the profit, now tell me how many profit information is here. Yeah, Amrun, just wait. Huh? Now only profit information I want. Right now, while giving a presentation, only profit information is there. So while this is the profit information, again, this is the profit information and this is the profit information. Three profit information is given to me. What I will do that I will create some bookmark option, bookmark and buttons options. Okay. So what I will do that I will unhide it while here, while click over here on this control plus press the button for profit button. And yes, it is talking only of this profit only. So what it is visualization table. It's visualized table. Then again it visualize this pie chart, and it visualize only this card. Only these three things are there related to the profit. Now again, I want all my visualization back. Now let me click here on the sales button. Yeah, in the sales button, profit information is also given. What I will do that I will hide this and I will update it. No, I will hide this and let me update. Yes, it is there. Now again, I want my all visualizations back. Now, okay, what is one student is saying that what is the use of this button option? While giving a presentation, you can go for the bookmark also, but while giving a presentation, you don't want again and again go to the bookmark option. What you will do that if I will directly click here on the sales button, okay, while giving a presentation, control plus press here, it gives only the sales information directly. Okay. Actually, there is one more option is there. If I will click outside, my original diagram will be there, but it is not working in my machine. I need to see that. Now, this is my original presentation. Now, while giving a presentation, if you want only to talk about the profit options, profit, what you will do here, go here and control plus click over here. It talks only of the profit information. So that is the important, guys, of the bookmark and the buttons options. Please tell me, guys, are you understand it, or it is a bouncer topic for you in Power BI? Tell me. Yes, guys. No, no, for both sales and profit. For example, I have created here. For example, see, this is the bookmark options are there. See, in the books also, if you are reading some books, you put some, if I will read today 10 pages. So I want that, I want to capture that, that I read only 10 pages. So what I will mark there, okay, this is the there, or bookmark concept we are using here also. Let me show you here in this option. Bookmark is there. See, so many bookmarks are there. All bookmarks we can use in our day-to-day life. So this is the bookmarks. If I will like something, so I have created a bookmark. See, this is all my bookmarks is there. Okay. So if I will click here, any of that pages, suppose, if, yeah, bar bending schedule. If I will click over here, directly this page, whenever I was reading it, I bookmark it because I want that again. I want to come on this page. I bookmark it. The same concept we can use over there. Yes, button is the shortcut. Is the shortcut for hiding? Yeah, button is the option in which we can give the options to the user, that we can give the options to the user directly. Don't go every time to the bookmark. Just click on the button option and these visualizations will be there. Suppose if this is your entire visualization, and now if you want only talking about the profit, go over here, just click hover over here, press control button and click over here. It talks only of the profit. It will not talk about the other visualization. Uh, like that. Please tell me, guys, are you getting it, or it is a complete bouncer for you? If you practice it, you will understand in the better way. See, Power BI means right now this is your report view, but in company you need to prepare this report and dashboards and give presentation to the clients. See, I'm working in my company. My client want the dashboard or report to be look like that. They will ask me add a bookmark, add like that. Your client will ask you. So based on your client, you need to prepare these kind of reports and give the presentation to the client. Tell me, guys, any questions as of now, or it is a complete bouncer topic for you? Very tough topic, tough, easy, moderate. Tell me, guys, it is an easy, tough, moderate, moderate. Okay. Okay. So once again, I will explain you once again. This is the bookmark concept. Once again, let me show you. I will again create some visualization, or let me close it completely. And once again, let me create some new book. Power BI sign in, you need to click over there. Power BI. Here, you just type it over here. Power BI sign in. Power BI sign in. Click over here, and then you need to create the account, Microsoft account over there. I'm sharing a link with you in the chat box. You can use this link. Yeah, that is the link I have shared with you. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Let me explain you once again. Let me close it and again open it for you. Let me close it completely. Don't save. Let me open it. Let me click here on the report. From once again, I will explain you bookmark, and this is the WhatsApp link, guys. No, it is this link only, na? Okay. Now, this is my, again, let me load my data, guys. Go here on the get data option, Excel workbook, sample superstore, and open it. Let me load this data, order sheet. Let me load it. Okay, my data is then loaded. Now, once again, I am explaining you. Okay, if you don't like buttons and all that, okay, just focus on the bookmark only. Okay, first of all, let me create some visualization. Let me create it, this visualization. Suppose I am talking about category versus sales value, like that. This is one visualization. Okay, and another visualization. Suppose I am creating this table also. In this table, it is talking about category, region, then sales value, quantity, and sales. It talking about this one. This is the another visualization which I have created. Okay. Let me create another visualization. And it talking about category wise, what is the profit? This one. It talking about this one. And again, in the table, it talking about region wise, what is the profit? Okay, like that. Okay, this is the visualizations. Let me add some visualizations first of all. I hope it is clear how to create the visualizations, all these things. Okay, it is clear to you, na guys, how to create a visualizations. In that, any questions, any doubts from your end? Please tell me, guys. Creating visualization, it is okay, na? Okay, fine. Let me add some cards also. One card. It talks about profit. And one card. It talks about sales. Okay, all right. This kind of visualizations you have created. Till okay. This kind of visualizations, guys, you have created. Got it? You need to do the settings also properly. Okay. This kind of visualization, it is there. Now, while talking, giving a presentation, now if you want to talk only of the profit, there, only of the profit. So for the profit, what is there? This card information is there, this card information, and then this pie chart information, and this table information in which it is talking about region versus profit. Okay. So what is there in Power BI? There is an option is there. So yeah. In Power BI, there is an option is there called as bookmark consult. Where we can go in the view option, in that bookmark option is there. I will click here, add bookmark. Let me click over here in the three dots, rename it. I will give it name profit. Okay, enter it. Now, what I will do that in the profit bookmark, I have added it. So, but I want profit in the profit bookmark, only profit related things should be there. Sales related things, it should not be displayed. So what I will do, I will go here in the selection. In the selection, it all shows everything. It shows everything, card, whatever is there. So I will unhide it. So what I will do, I don't want sales information while talking about profit. Sales, I will unhide it and hover over here. See, this is about, again, this table is also this, and these two tables are there, but we don't know which table is talking about profit and sales. Right now, only profit is there. So I have unhide it. Now this table, when I will click over here, it shows here. So this is the sales table. Again, I will unhide it. Then in the card, this is the first card. When I will click here, it shows this is the first card. Okay, I will hide this one. Okay, now only this one is there. Pie chart, table, and card is there of the profit. Card, table, and this is the pie chart is there. Only three things are there. What I will do that, I will go here profit bookmark, and I will, sorry, I need to update it. Okay, again I need to hide it. This is my profit bookmark. Right now nothing is there. I want only profit information. I will hide everything. Whichever the sales information is there, I will hide it. This is my sales information. Hide this. Again, if I will go over here, again this table is of my sales information. Hide it. Again this card, this first card talks about the sales information. Hide it. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, it talks about only profit. Yes, it is. Update it. Update it. Okay. Okay, update it. Now I want all my visualization back. Unhide it. Now I want everything, my visualization back. Now this is my original visualization. Okay. Now let me click only on the profit bookmark. Let me click over here. Yes, it talks only of the profit only, not rest of the information. It hide it. My screen is not been shared. My screen is not visible to you guys. Huh? My screen is not visible to you. Tell me, guys. Okay. I have shared with you, na, Divya, the data set. I have shared the data set. Again, I will share with you also. In the chat box also, only I have shared the data set with you. Okay. Now, I want a bookmark. Let me visualize everything. Now, this is my complete visualization is there. This is the complete visualization. It talks about everything. This is the complete visualization is there. Now you want to create a bookmark. They will ask you like that question. Create a bookmark in which only sales information it should show. I have created a bookmark for profit, right? Profit. Now sales information it should show. What I will do that, guys, first of all, I will go over here in the bookmark. I will here add a new bookmark. I will say that rename it, three dots, rename it sales. Sales is there. Okay. Now, in the selection panel, when I will in the sales bookmark, when it displays everything. So what I will do that I will hide profit here. Again, I will hide this profit also. And again, this pie chart. Now you are agree, it shows everything about the sales information. Sales information. What I will do that I will go over here in the sales bookmark and I will click here update also. Update. Okay. Now again, I want all my visualizations back. Okay. Now you are giving a presentation, and right now if it is confusing for you, that's why I'm not showing the button option over here. First understand bookmark, then button we can have. I'm explaining you step by step. Okay. Now while giving a presentation, now you need to talk only of the profit. What you will do that you will go here in the bookmark option and click over here profit. See, it talks only of the profit. Now, while giving a presentation, you need to talk only of the sales. You will click over here. Yeah, it is talk only of the sales. Now, again, profit, sales is there. So, this is the concept of bookmark, guys. Now, please tell me how many of you got it? At least 20 to 30%. If how many of you are confident that if you will do this, then you will able to if the data set and if you start doing it, you will know that bookmark concept. How many of you are confident? Tell me, guys. Is this that tough? Yes, guys. Nobody is giving the answer. Tough? It is easy only, guys. In our company, we are using it. Easy? Amrun and Fatima is saying that there it is easy. See, if your interview is there, I am telling you based on my personal experience, they will ask you this kind of questions for Power BI. Prepare yourself. Easy? Okay. Surendra is saying that this topic is easy. Okay, fine. Okay. Now sales profit. Now I want the homework for you. Yes, yes. Practice this question, these things. I will say that whatever I'm teaching you, if you are not practicing, you will not able to understand it. If you will do that, I always say that it is like a mobile. If a new mobile will come right now, I am using Android phone. I didn't use iPhone. What is the price of iPhone, guys? iPhone 15 is there. I'm very bad on all these things. Which iPhone series is there in the market right now? Yes, guys. Which iPhone series is there in the market? 15? Okay. What is the price of iPhone 15, guys? 70,000? Seriously? I thought that it is above 1 lakh. It is there, guys. iPhone 15 got around someone is saying that 1 lakh 30,000. iPhone 15. Okay. So I'm very bad. Why I'm very bad in iPhone and all that? Because I have never used iPhone. If I will start using iPhone, na, then I will come to know the features of also that. Right now I'm using Android phone. Okay. Similarly to that, it is this kind of subjects is that if you are practicing more, you will able to understand the things more. More concepts you will understand it. So whatever I'm teaching you, do the practice, guys. Then only you will able to understand it. Okay, 85,000. Okay. 1 lakh and above. I also think that iPhone is means 1 lakh and above only. Okay. So yeah. So just like that iPhone, it this subject is also like that. If you are using it, explore that subject, explore this tool, you will understand the things in a better. Tell me, guys, how many of you understood it? If you understand this, let me give you some homework for you. I want to create some visualization. Hmm. In which it talk about only the date. Okay, let me create one more visualization here only. This is the there. Let me add here some visualization. Let me add a visualization. Drag and drop. Let me add order date versus sales. Hmm. Now this table is talking only of hmm. Now this table is talking only of the date information, date wise sales, what is there. Now I want you to create a bookmark in which it talks only of the date bookmark, and it should display only this. Rest of the information it should not be displayed. How many of you confident that you will able to do that? Right now, profit bookmark is there and sales bookmark is there. I want you to create the date bookmark in which it shows only this table. Rest of the information will not should to be shown. How many of you are confident that they will able to do this? Yeah, Nazima, you have a laptop or mobile with you. If, get a laptop, Nazima, I will say that. Okay. How many of you, I want to create a bookmark for the date. How many of you are confident that you will able to create a bookmark for date? When I will say that date bookmark, I am creating it. When I will click on the date bookmark, it should display only the date information. Rest of the information it should not display. Like that I want. Not in mobile, Fatima. I will say that have a laptop. If you have your brother, sister, or any friend laptop, use that, download it, and do the practice there. I don't recommend mobile. Hmm. Tell me, guys, how many of you are confident to create a date bookmark? Uh, you are trying in mobile. Okay, I never tried in mobile, guys. I always use laptop only. From there only I learn the things. Mobile, it will be very difficult. I don't know. I don't have that experience. Tell me, guys, seriously, only one candidate is giving that they can do that. 168 out of 168, only one candidate is saying that that she can do that. Other guys, Fatima, get the laptop. Laptop is very essential. If you want to work in IT, na, I don't know what is your aim, Fatima. After your pass out, what you want to become? No, I'm not saying that. I also understand that laptop is very costly and all that, but try to get it. If your sister, brother, anyone in your family use their laptop, or or use your friend's laptop and do the practice in that. If you really want to make your career in software, na, you should have a laptop. Means it is very essential. I don't use mobile phone. In the mobile phone also, is options are available, but I am very bad. Sunil also saying that no laptop. Sunil, get a laptop first. Let's see that. Try from your friends also. If you don't have, make some jugaad from your friends. Hmm. Okay. How many of you are able to create date bookmark, guys? This is the homework for you to create a date bookmark. Okay, you want to become a journalist. Okay. Okay, very good profession. You by for journalism profession, You able to answer the politicians also, to the prime minister, to the chief minister. You can answer, ask the question. You have that authority that you can ask the questions to them. So that is there. But okay, that is a nice profession. Hmm. Okay. How many of you are understand the question, guys? I am saying that create a bookmark for date. When you will create a date bookmark, and if you click on this date bookmark, it should display only date information. Rest of the information it should hide. How many of you are confident, guys? Is anyone is trying also, or able to try in the next week? If you will come and you will tell me that you have done that. Only 2 to 3 students are responding. What about the other guys? No, it is not a tough topic. Easy topic only. Okay. So we will stop here only, guys. Do the practice of this bookmark concept is an important concept. That's why I have taken. In the next class, I will show you the Power BI service mode. Any questions till now from your end? Any questions from your end? No questions from your end. Okay. Shall we wind up the session then? Okay. Do this homework, guys. Okay. I am sharing a data here only with everyone. I have previously also shared the data, guys. This is sample superstore data I'm sharing here. Practice this, guys. I have shared this data set with everyone. Okay. Feedback link will be shared by the host. Please wait for that and do the practice, guys. Okay. Feedback is already shared with you. Okay. Then fill the feedback form and then you can left. In the next class, we will discuss this thing and practice these things, guys. It is not tough. If you will practice, I'm sure definitely you will find this topic very easy. Okay. Yeah. Fill the feedback form and then you can do. Okay. Feedback form has been shared with you guys or not? Okay, then wait here. The host will share with you the feedback form. Yeah, they will share with you. The host will share with you. Guys, it is providing with you shortly. Just wait 2 to 3 minutes, they will provide you. Yeah, we can calculated measure Amrun. For that, you need to use card only. For example, if I will show here, I want to find out average of profit here. So I will show you. I will go here in the new measure and I will say that average underscore profit equals to what I will do that here average and profit like that. Close it. See, average profit has been created. Now how I can use it? I will go here in the report view and I can use the card option here. Use it card option and drag and drop that average here, drag and drop. And you can use average profit here. That one. Getting it, Amrun? Yes, getting it? No. Okay. Suppose again, let me click here. Suppose I am here using this average of sales. No, in the table you can't add, Amrul. In the cards only. That whatever the measures you have used, you can use it in the cards, through cards only, not table. Tables, then I need to use calculated columns. For measures, you need to display it with the help of cards only. Okay. Yeah. Any questions apart from this? Anyone? Any other questions from your end? Yes, guys. Anything? Feedback link they will provide you. Is they share the feedback link with you? Okay. I have already messaged to them. They will provide you to the post only. Just wait, guys. It will provide you shortly. I have shared. They will provide. The host will provide. I don't know why there is delay from their end. Just wait for another for 2 to 3 minutes. They will share with you. They will provide you. Means the host. Who is the host? Blackbox. I think they will provide you. Blackbox. They will provide you the feedback form. Feedback link is not with me, guys. That's why.